Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Trap King. I'm gonna make it short because I need to do a whole lot of things today. I need to get out of the house any moment from now and do a few things. Would you believe me that it's just 8 a.m. Nigerian time and I've been up since 5 a.m. 3 hours. I'm like, what? But anyway, we gotta do what we gotta do. So as you can see on my screen, first things first, I'm looking at gold. Gold is a very huge one, right? Gold is a very huge one. I want to see gold sell from this area here. One second. All right, good. I want to see gold sell from this area here all the way down to here. 431 pips. As a matter of fact, I want to see ETF 276. Then ultimately maybe 426. Let's see how that pans out. 1 second. Let me do something. Okay, let me do something. 1 second. One second. All right, so I want to see that on gold. For you guys, you can hear my MetaTrader form. I want to see that on gold. So let me tell you how I would like this to happen. All right, I'll tell you how I'm going to like this to happen. One, we have what's it called? We have like a trap inside the trap right here. We have like a trap inside the trap right here, sitting here, right? So if I pull out my fib on this area here, if I pull out my fib on this area here, it means that my entry should be around here. Now, because the stop loss of that whole zone is very big, that's why I'm trying to see if this is going to... It's a risky one though, but let's see what happens. It's a risky one, though. Let's see what happens. So first things first, we have numerous targets. So if for whatever reason this market comes from here and gives you here, which is like 64 pips, take some money off the table. Very important, move your stops to break even. If it gives you here 90 pips, take some money off the table, move your stops and make your stops at break even. And then let's see 123 and 123 and then let's see if the market is going to go all the way down to 267, right? And then ultimately the 400 and something pips I was talking about. Ultimately, if this plays out, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done for the week. So like 420 pips. So now a lot of people will ask, but Trap King, where's your stop loss going to be? Now, because I'm trying to risk this trap here, even though I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm trying to risk this trap. So my stop loss is going to be somewhere. My entry should be here. So my stop loss would be like, let's say 45 pips. That's what my stop loss will be, 45 pips. Is it going to play out? I have no idea. I hope it does, right? How come people jump onto them and they don't glitch themselves out? How come? What's going on? So ordinarily, my stop loss should be here. But I'm not going to do, like, seriously, you expect me to do a stop loss of 190 pips? Seriously. What? So I'm risking just 45 pips for this move. and then I want to see what happens. So I'm reading this trade. You guys heard, I jumped in. It's risky though, like I said, but I'm going to give it a shot with a small lot. 45 pips stop loss. I'm willing to give it a shot with the stop loss. 45 pips. Now check this out. First target here, 65. Second target, 99. Third target, 274. And final target, 429. That is a risk to reward of 1:9. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what I'm looking at on this baby here. That's what I'm looking at on this baby here. So I'm ready to trade. Bless you guys. So having looked at that, the next one I'm trying to look at is I was looking at a few things yesterday, and I was like, okay, what's going on? I was looking at a few things. Starting from I don't know how many people were on Zoom on that day. I talked about this setup here. I don't know, does anybody remember me talking about this? Anybody? It's all good, but I talked about it. As you can see, the markup is still there. I talked about it, the markup is still there. And look at that. From here, all the way, market has gone about 60, or the market has given 45, 65, it hasn't gotten to here. So now that I'm doing that, what I'm actually looking out for here is, quite simple. I'm going to show you. What I'm looking out for here is going to be right here. What I'm looking out for here is around here. That's what I'm looking for. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see if we're going to find anything there. Whoops, 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 whoa. I can't make it up. I cannot make it up. All right. So I cannot make this stuff up. I can never make it up. I just do it. I can't make it up. So what do we have here? We have, what's it called? We have this. We have a trap here. Let's see. What size of this trap? $21 pips. 21 pips. So let's see. Pull out my fib. There you go. So obviously you guys know where my entry will be. My entry is going to be in this spot here. You guys know my entry is going to be in this spot, right? If that market gives me that, then it may be during NFP, it may be whenever, I really don't care. So I could do this and take like 32 pips on the market with a stop loss of about 17 pips. So let's see how that pans out. So right now, the only trade I'm in is gold, just like I analyzed. Nothing is happening. The market is not giving me what I'm looking for. I like UCAD all the way up here. I'm being very careful with this. All this could happen during NFP. It could happen during NFP. I'm being very careful calling out any trades this week. I don't want any drama in my life. You guys already know I don't like drama. So what happened there? I think something happened here. What was I doing on this place here? Let's see. Okay. What did I do in this place here? I did it during the week. Let's see. Oh, okay. I see it. Okay, I see it. So I'm going to go back to the 1 hour time frame. No, sorry, 4 hour time frame. I should. Apologies. 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, where are you? Come here. On the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, this happens to be the high of my week, this one here. So I'm just going to mark them up and keep there. Guys, this is like NFP week. You want to be very careful. You don't want to just jump into trade. So I'm just going to leave it here. And then I'll just watch price action. I'm not calling anything here. I'll watch price action when the market gets here. So I'm just going to leave this markup here. And there was another one I looked at. Was it GJ? No, I don't think so. Was it GJ? Okay, GJ, I called GJ. The market never came back there. I'm still going to leave it there. And I think that's all. That's all I'm looking at. I think that's all I'm looking at for now. That's all I'm looking at for now. So let's keep it at that. If you have any questions, hit me up in the group. I'm about to step out of the house. I told you guys I was going to the hospital. I want to do a few things, take care of a few things. It's just family. And so let me keep it at that. So all I'm inside is this. Would it play out? I don't know. Will I hit stop loss? No idea. Will I win the trade? I really don't know. But I'm willing to give it a shot. So that's that. So let's keep it at that. I'll talk to you guys in the group. Let's have a good day, everybody. And peace.